hear Lafin Gas?
Oh yeah, it's the Lafin Gas. Lafin Gas brought to you by comedic entertainment.
Exactly. And Allure TV, we are here to get it on this house.
Right? Sprinkle some spice on the event as usual. No, Lafin Gas, I think you sure? Yes, I think it means
yeah, when you hear Lafin Gas, you start laughing, you laugh continuously until you become a laugh.
So MC Lafin Gas has brought us here today to hear Lafin Gas. So just like saying, you want to laugh out of soul. Man, this country is really messy right now.
So a lot of things are happening, so we got to laugh.
Yeah, for real, sorry for now, we know. Saying,
yeah.
Any sunrise, I'm hanging out with super guy.
My name is JC, the craziest, dopest, hottest presenter in the Southeast. I praise in the evenings like this.
Please hair.
Oh, dog. And we get to interview lots of people on the red carpet. Yeah, they're walking the hot slay queens and kings. Then we have to ask them questions.
Very inductive question I was telling you.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you.
The first question is spell Wi-Fi.
Spell Wi-Fi. That is Wi-Fi.
That's Wi-Fi.
And then next one.
I called her twice a week, and never in a day. So what am I? Like watching your way, like for those that didn't get but you get you have because each one has to be just like
exactly very necessary.
Extreme keto. It has to be once in a year. Never try it in a day. I think that's the answer.
Yeah, well, let's just get to hear what our people have to say on the red carpet. It's going to be interesting. Say, whoa, hey, Wobby, don't go anywhere. Just relax yourself. Hold up for there. Follow. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Hot here. Everybody wants to be real. Yeah, everybody wants to be real loving. Let's go.
I still stand. That's what they have given. Some woman being on a statue.
Lafin Gas. Here, we need to see. This is the most difficult time in the world where you can make your fellow human beings laugh, especially in Nigeria. Big boys, you don't compose. Big boys, they don't make noise. Go outside, see where poor man they make noise. Do you know how much I pay? 2,000. Like men we get 100. Table for 8. Do you know how much I pay? 2K. Now you pay. But if you check now, poor men, now then they make noise pass. Go see one guy go just pick 15 million. He go enter inside club. Only you big boy. He go pop. Light everywhere. Come on, 15 million. Now you pick. He go off light. 15 million. Now you pick. When men will get 40 billion for accounts, but they make noise. So I can't imagine that you tell like that you pick come on 15 million. Now person like Evans, they inside that same club. Evans not a big boy. You wear common slip on with long sleeve when they fold. Now you come big boy, 15 million, how you pick? You off like boy. Go pause the music where Evans they dance. Trust Evans now. He go look you. You go call the guys. Sparrow. Cobra, when I see that guy. No one on me. Would they drink for head? After show, they go to kidnap you.
Area hard now. Area hard. In case you're coming into town for the first time, I greet you in the name of our governor, the #1 citizen of Imo State. Owelana Yoro Chas, roundabout to tunnel, demolition of Okorocha. The way demolition take they go for Imo State now, I shock. For church service today, one woman enter praise report. That a praise the Lord, we say hallelujah. I beg, wanna follow me, thank God. For midweek service, I dey for church. Now they call me. Say, come house. Say, tractor park in front of our house. Now I rush go house. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, you don't know maybe. Praise the Lord. At the sight of any tractor now, everybody they park. I dey tell you. And the one when roundabout take day for our state now, I just imagine say one day His Excellency go pass law, say make everybody build roundabouts for inside your house, for inside your corridor, give one roundabout in a corridor, so that from the bedroom when you are coming out, you negotiate from the roundabout Each one you got bathroom, toilet or kitchen, you put head. Now wait till make a return and I say, I talk and before they no agree. When everything ever dey like this, I talk and say, see the way where they put pillars now for everywhere for inside Imo State. Something what happen? Is there something one roof Imo State now? Gato glass, you can pillar. Naked, you will see pillar. Water, you will see pillar. Abano, you will see pillar. But I control, they can pillar. They are fixing pillars because they want to roof Imo State. They roof Imo State. By that time, Imo State will be well covered. Well reinforced. Miraga mine. Amocha. Oga mine. Isa wamba ngeba moto ga bagama saya. The boss satire na be not away na phone number you get check him up go call. And you know that 80% of people went there but their head don't correct. You go there see there for events now your phone the guy when you collect phone number from far back go they flash you. In our permission to outside. Hello my brother, excuse me, I saw your missed call now. Is my cloth safe? The guy will reply you. You will take a drop again on our nature. I'm telling you. Area hard now. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not to get time. Make I come out here. And I tell people say for Imo State we get talent. The only thing we will not get here now, connection. We get talent past Lagos. I imagine that a Lagos comedian go perform finish, come out. You go see somebody go walk up to the Lagos comedian. Hello, excuse me. Are you the MC that just performed? The MD of Seplat Oil and Gas wants to talk to you. Or the manager of Diamond Bank Nigeria wants to talk to you. Or the owner of Ifeco Enterprises wants to talk to you. They have platforms. But imagine that we perform here in Imo State. We go sit down. Somebody go walk up to you. My brother, are you the comedian that just performed? You say yes. Say Ibario wants to talk to you. Or the owner of All Seasons Hotel wants to talk to you. Or the owner of Beauty Continental wants to talk to you. Now hotel full here. Now what is like if you check from A to Z, hotels don't full everywhere. A, All Seasons. B, Beauty Continental. C, Cathy Suits. D, The Legend Hotel. E, Eastern Emirates Hotel. F, Full Moon. G, G Towers. H, Hollywood Hotel. I, Imo Concord Hotel. J, Jovita Hotel. K, Kelvic Suits. M, Lubbock Meridian. M, Mansroya Hotel. N, Newton Hotel. O, Oriental Pillars Hotel. P, Pretoria City Hotel. Q, Queen's Hotel on Aba Road. R, Rock View. S, Star Rival. T, Titanic View. Which other one? U, Union Hotel. They still the view, they never finish it. Union Hotel. V, Vicious Hotel. W, Winter Suit. X, Hotel. Y, Your Hotel. Z, Zaza Hotel. Thank you very much. My name is S.C.
Can't kidnap me for it. Now too far if my family go pay you. Because money no pay. Now, what time they talk that last time? Remind me, Toto, my brother. I don't say that. Remind me, Toto. Different type of Toto. There's Toto. Now play a one guy watch blue film in the watch as you go. You know, Americans can be so sexy. You know, you will see if you watch blue film, you would happy. One idiot watch blue film. He sees the guy they wipe the man. That is slap the nyash. I don't know what the nyash do. But people can confuse us. The first call say, oh, they leak here. Say they leak your ear. Carry something come. Only us way. Now if you kiss woman, you push your head go down. Stop waiting. For this economic world, not confused. Now the guy want blue film ready to wipe. The guy they wipe the bed for that. Come on, baby. Say my name. The guy they show. Oh, you are the guy. You are the guy. You are the guy. Did you go see this guy? This guy said, go carry a shower. Pay 3-5. Then they wipe the bed. Now it's not the game. If you see hand, one first slap the game like 10 fingers show for the dash. Nice shot, baby. What's my name? Because I want to know your name. Not the matter you just have me. now you be customer. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how many of them I don't notice her? For a year, I don't know so that they club. For Port Harcourt, I don't go club before. I don't go shows for them, club with them. I reach the Baba and he carry me go. We go for that prosperities and powers area for the way prosperities and powers. For Port Harcourt, we enter club. If you see Port Harcourt guys, they enter club. Oh my God, bankers. They will go buy shirt for okay. Come put and start. You buy shirt 500, put and start 25. If you calculate and join at 3,000, yeah, be a fork a bread the minimum. Go walk enter club. I see the greeting friends. Hello, Calvin, how you doing? Good, man. That's it. Yeah, see, peace. Yeah. He go sit down, cross leg, banker. He won't order for drinks. Hello, excuse me, waiter, please. I want you to give me champagne. Yeah, okay. With ice. Yeah, nice one. Thank you. Music go play, he go dance. Main market guy. Furniture. Why enter club? First of all, they don't go mwage shop. Drink home. Maya they in a club, you know, consign them. Hennessy, Herunugawa. Dog Pregnant, Doronogawa. You see, Choy. We are okay with it. As they don't drink finish, they enter club. Number one, they are belly the day front. You go come spray hand like person who won't go sell land. As he reach club, you go open the door. Prepare for inside club. I was saying you black, you can't wear black and black. Don't be that one the best me, you can't short, put inside. As main market guy open door, look inside club, every lab or chicha, everywhere go come dey dark. He go look around, he no see anybody, go close and go back. As he go back, he go tell his friends, no, don't ever do. As he look there, his friends go tell him, now gonna show you. As he open door, enter inside. In front from back, where they for club go look am. From back inside club, he go hail am. Hey, one double. He go there for door. Hey, I'm on November. He go hail am again. Hey, I'm on Gajapi. He go hail am. Pocket.
But I come bro, we don't face. So above like this now. So we don't give one of the money now. I don't dey jealous and I no one bless boys I be. I no one. But about boys, your hand they go back. See about boy we don't face for him guy. We give him boss. The guy need to bring money. The boy I love him. Let him go again. Boy he can go again. Just be serious. So we can pay him money. I want to get him money. So I want to go again. Oh my God. Now I'll do this and I'll leave the stage. Time no day. If too quiet, marry. You know, say quiet and they always like they feel with the Holy Ghost. You know? And for over here and away, we enter church. Ushers welcome you. Welcome, sir. Sit here. Welcome, sir. Sit here. Welcome. Some people don't stop on that and they go where switch day. You know? Come to church, you come be like bar here. Come to go here, come to go this side. They go fit change and make the ushers they carry gun. Or you employ bouncers. All the time say welcome sir, sit here. If you want just drop the gun. Shh, oh yeah. Should I hear? Done too much for you. Last Sunday I said to you, enter here. Now when two choir marry, you know say they feel too holy. After their marriage, everybody don't go. That night now they will form who won't touch each other first. They come lie down for bed. This one go face wall, this one go face this side. Now only music, as they be quiet, only music that we use connect. The man now go face war. He dey hungry and boy don't know how to start because of holiness. Now a wife go begin sing something like Metoro Makagio Di Momai Metoro Makagio. If the man no hear, what happen? If the man no hear, she go carry her hand go near the boxers because now she get am now they don't marry. Now she go change the song to Kumene Budike. By then, the man will reply, he goes on nature. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is God bless you.
money to be your time. Anything I go on my own, if you not look for your factor. Lord, your body like you are you for it's about you. Somebody handle you. Let somebody ginger you.
I made the call in a no clap. After I don't pay gate fee, how? Come in, come again, I bet. Okay, I go stand though.
We've called him before.
I look for trouble.
We're calling him before. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to stand, stand.
Smoke guy.
Stand. Hear the smoke machine. You're balanced. Hear the smoke. The smoke machine. The smoke don't finish. Don't finish. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to clap. Let's clap. Even if you see him next time, you don't want clap. Clap today. Ladies and gentlemen, Lafin Gas.
The video. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just feeling myself. Yeah, you're welcome. Good evening. If the package all these things today are not funny, not go funny. But nobody want funny for country. We no funny. We I guess our president don't go back in country. Sorry, don't go back to London. Very soon now, 3 months in, 3 months out. Now so they carry service visa. The one when you go shop us now when you go marry Oyibo. Just to get resident permit, so we will not say young girl. And a young girl, you know, see the deal. One politician marry Oyibo girl, and a young girl they go marry. I don't know what girls. I know they understand girls and men. When are they small? They tell me say girls they like 6 packs. I gym like die. Packs come out, nothing. I grew up. They talk saying red lips. I buy all the crayon, poster color, pink lips. No one no paint. They say now na bia gang, bia and one. How do you fall in love with the guy that has girls? You go kiss guy, finish. Your guy go stick for your teeth. You go use toothpick, they come out and my friends go look you. Chinya, it's Chinya this man. And they form. Now, maybe be there again. Now people wait from Yankee come back. They know they use here. He just came back. Anybody will just come back and girls pray. And it's annoying. You go see person where they China 14 years come back. You know they speak me how shito la for yango why they speak in from China. How come? You from France, what you supposed to do? Shema je do or shema je pas. You they do, you know what I mean? As a matter of fact, the only person who don't travel abroad, you know, learn, you know what I mean? Our president Buhari, and I like it. Just imagine saying, learn, you know what I mean? Going to give us speech for this hard time for Nigeria. You go back to the news now. The people of Biafra. What's the problem? You know what I mean? And I, as a president and my deputy, you meet casual. They go tell us, no, you don't be you meet casual. He's a casual man, don't mind. No. Yes, it just they confuse us now. But come to think about it, this Biafra something. I know they see Biafra, I they see Igbo men and business. Whenever I see an Igbo man, I see business. So once they talk this Biafra, I see myself when I drive for Douglas. The single come knock for my dog. Shamani choya or Biafran blade. Made by chick doctor and the can I like here. And the kind thing what they see. This one way problem they did now waiting that they pray against. So man they drive one day, but single come knock. Shaman lay up Biafran daga makin or go. They begin go to one side, nay, a Biafran shoe makin bonson. When you go surprise now one begin to come meet you, chairman, nay, I able me eba. Oh, one I know you go bucket, don't test here. You don't say Chris Sunday. Biafra, you do now the divide. They don't even think and imagine the divide this country, they can't get Igbo outside Yoruba. Now they can't get Igbo airlines, outside airlines, Yoruba airlines. You go this so dumb. Now outside airline, I go they like enter because it go make sense. That kind of flight, they go they share suya. Yeah. And no seats go there that plane na mat. Everybody go sit down for ground. You know. Go make sense. If you hear cockpit announcement, it make sense now. Well, later, thank you for playing the house airlines. As a cabinet, I have Amina Futumina, the major importers of green pepper, Tatashi, even Abunda. Feel free, I'm going to pilot you. I am the pilot Shakao. And then you women go drop. Yoruba Airlines, no go funny, everybody go to fear, now fear airlines. Even from where the ticket, now who the ticket to the ask question, excuse me, to the long bay, excuse me, who is the pilot of the aeroplane? They say it's David. David, I don't like that guy, he drives too much of speed. No, the last time he carried me, he had not too much gallop. They go say that's no gallop, that's turbulence, turbulence, come on, turbulence name. Come on, give me. I need another flight. When is the other one taking? They go say around 3. Who is the pilot? So coming. Okay. He's a good pilot. Can I get my ticket? 1. My life jacket? 2. And my parachute? 3. Okay, you are taking parachute inside. See, if you don't give me my life jacket here, we die. They go quarrel, give them, do wahala. Where you go fear pass now when pilots they board. Come where you come parachute for back, enter cockpit. You dey hear announcement when you don't take off. Thank you very much for flying the Yoruba Airlines. On the cabinet we have everybody. This flight is taking off from Lagos to I think Uyo. And we are going to be doing 5,000. I don't worry, the weather is not okay. When I'm upstairs, I'll tell you people. But in case you see anything you don't understand, you feel free to jump out. Me, the pilot, I'm putting on my parachute. I have 4 children. Now, Igbo Airlines go funny. Igbo Airlines, Igbo Bueno. No say they know they play music for airplane. Now lie, Igbo Airlines, they go they play. If you enter, you go to hear. Inside plane when they take off. As plane they up, you go hear. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying the Igbo Airlines. This flight is taking off from Lagos to Kano for business. Feel free to look around and shop in our supermarket and our shop light in case you want landed properties or anything. Meet our sales girls, not the air hostess. And in case you like the way I pirate you, you want me to fly your private jet, feel free to call me on 02-22-52. I'm your pirate, His Royal Highness, Easy Madomelo. Yes, which number? No, it goes sweet. As we all did, inform anyhow. Get money. What is the joy of having money just to carry girl in front of your car? And girls, they like front of car. You know one thing about the front of car that is funny? The kind of song the guys play determines the kind like how beautiful way you did. When you carry fine girl, you play nice songs. All those, you are my African queen. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, Wagola, do without your smile now. You know, wait now, Wagola. Anyhow. But when they get ugly, I know now later I'm not going to remember the joke, no worry. But when you carry ugly girl, now one song you will play. As you get ugly, now one song. Accident make a one young Apu Makao Koko Shy one young one. But when you get ugly well, now one song you get the option to play. Once you put them now. Antonia, I want to buy my I don't know what's wrong. If guy carry you play that song, my sister, you are finished. You are finished. They just produce phone, get money, go buy phone. Just take selfie. Now at the vex, iPhone, everybody waits for that phone. Selfie, they find. It make me the ask question. Be like, if they build that phone finish, they put makeup artists inside. Maybe not Siri work. Because nobody, if they snap you with iPhone, you ugly. My sister, you are ugly for life. No makeup can help your career. See, you know where people wait from outside come. Yeah, you see, as they do this comedy show that they pop. But over here, if you perform, they will spray money. You see, this is Gorobuchi. I bet somebody should employ himself as my picker. Yeah. And if one day, hey, I tell you, you didn't respect yourself. Don't look anyhow. Somebody should pack up all these things. Is there any other person that wants to perform? This is signs and wonders.
I'm telling you, the cutest, tall glass. I mean, no, this one is not tall glass. Average glass of chocolate or candy. His name is Prince White. Welcome, Sam&song. Yeah, welcome. So we're going to ask you this very question. Very, very simple. You can see me.
No, hope it's not fun.
No, it's not Franco. I'm not Patoranking. Yeah. You see me, I'm something. You see me twice in a week, once in a year, but never in a day. What am I?
I don't even know the thing. Don't ask me.
You don't know it.
Yeah, I know you're going to laugh at me, but I don't care. I really don't care. See, the thing is, I'm not short. Not like I'm short. Yeah, I'm just humble. Yeah, I'm humble. I'm a very humble person. This guy is proud. He's a proud guy. Hello. He's a very humble. Yeah. So this is one and only Slim Shady. The guy can dance to Africa. If you see me wine, he's with me. Yeah, I like it. Okay, fine.
I don't mind, bro. I like dance.
Okay, so this is Laura TV and we like to answer your question. Are you ready? Okay, first of all, I'm something I am called twice a week, once in a year, and never in a day. What am I?
You're called twice.
In a week, once in a year, and never in a day. Yes! It's not hard though. Make your place be proud right now.
It didn't sound like
That's what it's for. Okay, spell Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
My people will still they inhale Lafin Gas. Make go make people they laugh anyhow. We there with one of that boss. You know, start seeing top pass me. No worry, I go still reach it.
That left way, then I'm very fine.
So how are you enjoying the show?
It's quite exciting. I like everything that is happening. The comedians are good and the musicians are quite interesting too.
Yeah, during the event I saw you laughing like what is the cause? Why are you just laughing? It's because you have inhaled a lot of Lafin Gas. What would you say about the show? Do you want it to continue next time or something?
I didn't think I laughed that way.
Really? You're already doing it. I got him!
The way I'm left it now is it's quite exciting. It's not like no, it's quite cool. I want this kind of show. Next year too, right? Maybe before
every month. Yeah. Okay. Of all the comedians that performed tonight, which of them would you say got you cracked up?
That guy from Onitsha.
Yeah, the Onitsha guy. Yeah.
That guy is quite good.
That said, the something was doing. Yo, man.
Yeah, and I said,
forget it.
Yeah, that guy is quite original.
Yeah.
All these ones are doing the job.
Yeah, they're trying to copy.
Yeah, they're all just copycat. But the guy from Onitsha, man, he killed it.
He rocked it.
Really.
Okay, so are you satisfied with all the comedians you saw tonight, or you're expecting something?
I think I want to see acapella perform.
Okay.
Maybe Patrick.
Okay, acapella party, they're expecting you. Okay, let's ask you just one question on the red carpet. And the question is very simple. What is the English word for keke? Keke? Yeah.
Tricycle.
Tricycle, you got it, collect that, okay, you did. Thank you very much. Tell me something. Of all the performances this night, which of them would you say is much more interesting for you tonight? Everybody cracked us up, man. Yeah, you do pick it. Okay, friend, and I'm going to ask you a question on the red carpet. Very simple. I'm something. I appear twice a week, once in a year, once in a day. I'm something. Twice in a week, once in a year, and never in a day. What am I? Everything where you know. I can't think of it. Oh yeah, my people, you don't settle. I'm here with UC Flames, the best music. What you call it? Yeah. That woman came from East Celebs Award, our own Southeast version of the Headies. I'm so proud. And my right hand, I'm seeing a beast beside me. Ah! Excuse me, what is your name before my boss? Yeah, he's a beast. So why are we here today?
Yeah, we're here to support the actual instead of Lafin Gas. Here, Lafin Gas, you know what I'm saying about it.
Yeah, you performing tonight?
Yes, I'm tonight.
Oh my god, the new staff performing. I never see anything. Excuse me, Honda, before you go use your beast, come and hijack me. What is done? What are you doing tonight?
Okay, I came to the Lafin Gas.
What is this? They call one name, he doesn't know.
This is trouble.
Yeah, thank you very much. But before we finish your interview, go first come out your people could see your real face.
Yeah, pay me for that.
We go pay you for that. How much?
30 billion for my account.
Yeah, they will do. Alright, finally we are going to do this one. It's a question on our red carpet. Can you do this one quickly? Spell the word Wi-Fi. Are you sure? Wi-Fi. Why?
You go school. I know I go to school. No one get the time.
Clap for your step. Clap for your step.
Yo, the Grand Cubana Owerri right about now. We are at Cubana Owerri TV. Keep watching that.
Come on, I want to see the bank can't name. I go by the name Mr. And I'm chilling at Lafin Gas. That's what it's me.
Oh guys, I promise you can have lots of people come and meet our native carpenters and help me and have the one and only Keisha. Hello Keisha.
Yeah.
Lafin Gas. Okay, it's actually Owerri TV. Owerri TV. We have here. So, where did you come from?
Yeah, I'm from
Okay, you came in from London for the show.
Ladies and
You came
gentlemen,
from Oka to the show. That's beautiful. So, tell me how you guys get to know about the show and what you're doing today. I didn't tell you. That's beautiful. So, you did hip hop. So, okay, well, this is Owerri TV and we have to do some controversial before next week, okay? Now, I'm going to ask you a question. I'm something, and you'll come twice in a week, once in a week,
ladies and gentlemen, this
never in a week, twice in a week, once in a year, and never in a day.
let me tell you
No
something.
idea, it's show.
If you are coming from Lagos down to Owerri,
right now.
when I said no idea.
every city has automatic there is a problem. If you get to Lagos, how you dey tell say you don reach Lagos?
No, yeah, because of your land on the side. Good having here, so this is not Owerri TV.
You go just say Lagos. If from Lagos they drive the car, you reach head bridge of the job. To take this way, you don't reach head bridge.
Thank you very much for having me.
Hello! Hi! You guys should not think I'm crazy because I'm inhaling loudly down. And I'm here with an artist. Yeah, he's ready to roll. His name is Drill. Hello, Drill. I'm cool, and you? You are looking fresh, doper and dapper. Now only you waka come. Hey, see I guess they film from the right hand to the left. See them? Ah! Big head there, short-painted. Okay, so tell me, Drills, why are you here tonight? Okay, do it quickly. Inhale a little Lafin Gas. Inhale it. Inhale. Okay, quickly. You're gonna do this for us. We get to ask you questions.
You know, say even when you go take wear Gucci,
the question
they are always so that go see Gucci where you wear it.
can you spell Wi-Fi?
One of my man wear Gucci reach Aba when they get coffee. And so that can say
W-I-F-I. Are you sure? Wi-Fi. Oh my God, that they won. Okay, but the truth is, let's do this one again. Where is the diaphragm located in the body? Diaphragm.
but they don't give the guy
I think give you clue.
they say to touch it.
Okay, the diaphragm are from here up. You want to choose one place. Anywhere, but just anywhere na no. Hello my people, I'm with DJ Paki, the CEO Laga Fiesta. What's up with you? Cool. Yeah, how are you enjoying the show? Yeah, so what can you say about tonight's show?
Wow, this night show is shutting down the city, man. You know, Ihela Lafin Gas show is a show that, man, is shutting it down. And I love it, you know.
Yeah, thank you. We're asking you a question on the red carpet. What is the English word for KK?
KK?
Yeah.
Moto.
You got it. The best answer so far you have given me. All right.